Amazon Vine is a total scam, and today we're going to talk about why. Very few things in this world get me really wound up. I mean, granted, I am from New Jersey and I have my issues with my temper sometimes, but when it comes to business, when it comes to actual business, I'm a very reasonable person and I'm understanding of certain things and why certain things need to take place. But as of recently, Amazon Vine is getting out of hand, and the more I look at it, the more it bothers me. And right now, we're actually taking on quite a few clients that we're managing their accounts for them. And said clients don't necessarily have $1 million to be spending on extras. And we're understanding of that, and we're trying to make business decisions for them to ensure that they get the most out of their money when it comes to selling on Amazon. Now, certain programs like Amazon Vine are very much necessary to be successful on Amazon. And they're of value in some cases, but some of the things I'm seeing, it's really bothering me, and it's becoming more apparent because of said clients, because I'm being very careful with how we spend their money. Now, if you're not familiar with Amazon Vine is a program basically sponsored by Amazon where if you want to get reviews on your products, you can register for Amazon Vine. Now, you need to be brand registered, and you need to pay $200 to get into the program. All this I'm cool with, I have no problems with. The issue I see here is all the additional fees that Amazon makes you pay for Amazon Vine. For example, there's a referral fee that you need to pay, as well as the actual fulfillment fee. So in other words, you take your items and you give them away for free. So that's already costing you money. Now, in fairness to Amazon, the actual fulfillment fee, I can see and I can understand. I get it. You need to ship the product. You need to pull and ship the product. That is fair. Someone needs to pay the shipping, so the person doing Amazon Vine, fine, you pay the shipping. But the referral fee is total bullshit. Okay, so Amazon, if you're watching, I might say some bad words. Where do you get off thinking it's okay to basically gouge Amazon sellers at every single turn of the road? It's not right. I do not see how it's appropriate for you to be charging the actual referral fee when someone is already paying $200 to participate in the Amazon Vine program on top of giving away their products for reviews. Now, Amazon, the reason why you started this program was to keep things fair. You were sick of people doing incentivized reviews. How you respond is make a whole program where they are incentivized reviews, but you're running them. You take the control away from us. That is all fair, I get it. But when you're charging all these additional fees, it's just unfair to everybody involved. There's a lot of people out there and they're trying to make it on Amazon, and this is why it really infuriates me, because I see it with our current clients. Some of them come from a bad past. Maybe they dealt with some companies that it wasn't working out for them, and they've lost a lot of money. And what we're trying to achieve here is we're trying to at least right the ship for them, and at least maybe recover those funds and possibly be successful. Realistically, it should care about the third-party sellers because 50% of the sales that take place on Amazon are due to third-party sellers. So sometimes Amazon, I really think if you're about doing this to help us, or if you're just trying to enrich Jeff Bezos even more. Since there's some odd reason why no one chooses to talk about this video, please share this video, get the word out. People deserve to know and understand what they're actually getting themselves into. Let's get some traction behind this video. You never know, maybe Amazon will actually see it and do something about this.